Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Yeah, team. Yeah. Let's see what time it is. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it black for now. But you already know. You already know, team. Y'all see it? That new lip. We gonna do some test fitting and see how it look, and then, you know, let's get it popping. But that's that Stillen, the front lip from Stillen. Had to pick it up. You already know. Alright, I'm just doing a test fit. Alright, quick test fit. See what's shaking. So, this is what it should look like. Something like that. With this joint. There we go. Okay. That covering that. Alright. Alright. I mean, just a test fit to get a visual. But, yeah. Okay. Alright, team. Alright, just to get it to kind of stay to get an idea, but yeah. Let me see, you go like that, yeah. I like it, I like it. I like it. And once we ready to get everything painted, get this shit painted too. Let's go. But yeah, that's still in lip. 04, 06 maximum.
All right, team, you already know it's go time. We in here, baby. So front bumper off. You know what I'm saying? Everything looking decent for the most part. We come over here, we got the lip, post it up. We're gonna bring the lip over and start a couple of more test fits. I know I gotta take my license plate off, and just to make sure it's proper, I think I gotta take the license plate holder off as well, just to make sure that we're good. I'm going to clean this with some alcohol as best as I can, get some more shop towels and just clean this up best as we can. I mean, one of my family members was telling me that I should get a new bumper to go with the new lip. It was like, are you paying for that shit, bro? Like, bumpers are not fucking cheap. And the joints that I normally get, they come painted to match. So you talking 300 plus out the pocket, you know what I mean? But yeah, team, front bumper off. I'm gonna come through and line up the lip so we can get started. Let's go get it. All right, so still in lip. Little hardware they got. I think I got some more 3M tape in the trunk. Let's see what's up. See if we can prop it. Oops. Alright, let's see. Let's get that out the way. Yeah. Let's get it set up. Let me take this license plate off and let's give it to y'all, Mo. See what we looking like. Alright, team, it's not on. Like, I ain't take the 3M off or like drill any holes yet, but I just wanted to do the test fit to see what we look like. And that look righteous. I like that, Mo. Like, that should give the joint a whole new feel. Like, that ass can't wait to get this whole shit painted, bro. This whole shit is gonna look fire. So, but that's how that shit is going on for right now. But just the test fit, that's what it's looking like. It's looking nice, Mo. I like that. I like that a lot. So let's keep it going. I used the alcohol to clean all around the upper portioning and the lower panel, like everywhere the 3M is going to be touching on top. I cleaned that. Once I take this off, I'll probably clean that again thoroughly one more time with the alcohol, just to make sure that's clean. Like all these parts up here where the 3M is going to be touching, and get that nice and clean, team. And we'll be good to go from there as far as getting it on. So now hopefully I don't have any hiccups with the 3M, and I can get it on just like so and just press all around until it's nice and secure. And once we get it like that, I'll end up probably just laying it down
and putting the screws on the side, on the lower part of the fender, back here, one here, and probably one here, and then I'll probably end up putting 2 separate ones here and here just to secure it. And I don't know, I might end up putting 1 screw in here and in here, up in here and in here, just to make sure the shit is good. So two on each side, and then what, 1, 2, I'll probably line it up just like this, just like those holes. So 1, 2, 3, 6 screws, and do it like that, just to make sure that shit is nice and secure and locked in, team. Ain't trying to lose this shit, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. All right, team, so we looking all right. We got the 3M on there. It's on right now, you know. Looking good. So now my next move is to pull out the walkie. You already know what time it is. Drill a couple holes, get the screws in on the side, get it secure on the bottom as well. And yeah, I deadass, I want to get a screw right in here, bros. Like, screw right in there, nice long joint, just to make sure that this is nice and secure. Like, definitely not trying to take a L. I know my shit is part of that low life gang, so not trying to lose the lip. I know it's going to take a little damage on the bottom, so what I might do is take some of my 3M joint and put some of the 3M double-sided tape right here on the front. So for the most part, it may scrape some of that off. I mean, that's the only way I think I can protect it, besides trying to take it easy going down some of the ramps and speed bumps and shit like that. So we'll see what's going on, team, but just keeping y'all in the loop. We on there, though. We're on there, B. You know what I'm saying? 3M locked in, and we about to make it happen, Captain. Let's get to drilling. All right, team, so just getting started. But for the most part, yeah, got the first screw in to lock it down. I like that, as now you can really see it's through here and it's connected. And that's what I want to make sure, that I have it where it's still solid. I still got enough material on the inside while I'm making the hole, but I want to make sure it's further enough to the outside to where it's coming through, and also being secure on both sides. So I'm not just drilling a hole in here just to put a screw through this and it's not actually connected to the bumper. So we got placement down, check that twice. Now here it's a little bit different from how it's seated on this side. So we're gonna probably go right in here. I'll fill it here, probably go right in there, and keep it going, team. Let's go. All right, team, so this is how I locked in, just to make sure we good. Everyone right there, that seemed to be the closest spot, like I said, that has it there. Dropped a couple right here on the bottom, just so that's secure in the middle. Joint here, and then the 2 on the edge for the opposite side of the Stillen lip. So it's fully installed. Let's drop this damn bumper and see what it looks like. Let's go. Yeah, I like it. I can't wait to get it on the car. Let me put my license plate back on and get everything set up so I can get this shit outside and get a look-see. But yeah, looking real right. Real right. I'm gonna apply a little bit more pressure to the upper portioning, but yo, the shit line up damn near perfect. Just let me keep applying pressure, make sure the 3M is nice and secure, but I know the bottom and the sides are secure, so this shit ain't coming off, baby. I can tell you that right now, you know what I mean? Yeah, I like it, I like it. Get a car that extra flair, man. Definitely a cosmetic upgrade that was needed. So, let's go.